So, good morning, friends and students. As per your request, we are posting our videos regarding our syllabus. Today, we are going to talk about the formation of HF molecule, that is hydrogen fluoride molecule. Again, this is the AB type of molecule. AB type of molecule in which B is the more electronegative atom, more electronegative atom, which contributes more toward the formation of bonding molecular orbital, and A is less electronegative atom. Less electronegative means it is more electropositive. Less electronegative atom is A. A atom is less electronegative atom, and this less electronegative atom contributes more to the formation of antibonding molecular orbital, less to the formation of bonding molecular orbital. Right? Now, as usual, as procedure, we know that the electronic configuration of hydrogen atom is 1s1, since atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1, and the electronic configuration of fluorine atom will be, since the atomic number of fluorine atom is 9, therefore electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. Right? Out of this orbital, this 1s orbital will not take part into the bonding. 2s orbital also will not take part into the bonding. 2p orbital will take part into the bonding. We know that in the 2p orbital there are 3 suborbitals, that is 2px, 2py, 2px, 2py and 2pz atomic orbital. 5 electron can be filled. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 electron. We can fill either way around, but we know that the px orbital lies along the internuclear axis. Therefore, px orbital is suitable for the bonding with the 1s orbital for the hydrogen atom. The condition for to form the bonding between the two heteronuclear atoms is that they must have the nearly same symmetry, nearly same energy, and maximum overlap should be there to form the bond. Maximum overlap between the atomic orbital. Therefore, this 2px orbital take part into the bonding. Let's draw the molecular orbital energy level diagram. Molecular orbital level energy diagram. This is for the hydrogen atom. We are drawing the molecular orbital energy level diagram for the formation of HF molecule. Remember that this 2px orbital of fluorine atom is having lower in energy. 2px orbital of this is the 2px orbital of fluorine atom, and this 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. This is the hydrogen atomic orbital, and this is the fluorine atomic orbital. These are the molecular atomic orbital, and these are the atomic orbital. Two atomic orbital, that is fluorine, one fluorine atomic orbital and one hydrogen atomic orbital combined together to form the two molecular orbital, that is sigma sp. Sigma sp is the bonding molecular orbital, and sigma star sp, this is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. There is one electron in the hydrogen atom, one electron in the hydrogen atom. There is one electron in the 2px orbital of the fluorine atom. This is the energy level diagram. Molecular orbital energy level diagram. Now let's fill the electron. One electron will come from this hydrogen atom, then another electron will come from this hydrogen atom. Again, we are filling the electron according to Applebaum principle. Applebaum principle says that lower energy orbital are filled first, then upper energy orbital. Thom's rule of maximum multiplicity as well as Pauli's exclusion principle. While filling the electron in the molecular orbital, we are applying those rules. Those we are that rule we are filling the electron in the atomic orbital like that only. Therefore, the electronic configuration for the this molecular orbital electronic configuration will be equal to neglecting the this the 2s and 2py and 2pz electron. K is written for the fluorine atom. Therefore, K sigma sp2 sigma sp2 electron. This is the electronic configuration of the hydrogen fluoride molecule. Remember that this energy level, this orbital is lower in energy. This orbital is higher in energy. This orbital is lower in energy. Little bit lower in energy. This orbital is little bit higher in energy. Molecular orbital electron configuration will be like this. Then next one is the stabilization energy or energy you want. Energy you want is equal to what? Number of electron in the bonding molecular orbital into minus beta. Number of electron in the bonding molecular orbital are 2 electron into minus beta plus number of electron in the antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta, 0 into plus beta. Therefore, energy you want is equal to minus 2 beta. Next one is what? Next one is the bond order. Bond order is equal to what? Bond order is equal to 1/2 number of electron in the bonding molecular orbital. These are the bonding molecular orbital. There are 2 electrons in the bonding molecular orbital. 2 minus number of electrons in the antibonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital are having the 0 electron. There are no electron in the antibonding molecular orbital. Therefore, this is equal to 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, the bond order is 1. While writing the HF molecule, we will write like this: hydrogen fluoride. The bond order is 1. Now, last thing is that commenting the magnetic property of the hydrogen fluoride molecule. All the electrons in the molecular orbital are paired. Therefore, this molecule is diamagnetic in nature. This molecule is diamagnetic in nature. This molecule is highly polar molecule since fluorine is the high electronegative element. As I said that high electronegative element contribute toward the more bonding molecular orbital. Less electronegative element, that is more positive, more electropositive element contribute to the formation of more antibonding molecular orbital. Right. This is all about the formation of HF molecule, since we are studying the heteronuclear diatomic molecule, in which one element is more electronegative, another element is less electronegative. One element is more electropositive, that is A element is more electropositive and B element is less electropositive. Right. Thank you. Next lecture we will see the formation of NO molecule. Thank you.